Hi, I'm Catherine Nalty. I work at the Department for Work and Pensions and I work for the Minister for Disabled People. Back in September, I bumped into a friend who's a wheelchair user. He started telling me how frustrating it was that when he can't get into a coffee shop or something, there's no easy way for him to flag that that's a problem. That's when this all started.
It's a really great room of people. It's nice to have such a mix from people who are affected firsthand to carers to techies and people in businesses that can potentially benefit or are affected by this stuff.
I understood that today's event would be about actually meeting some disabled entrepreneurs that have great ideas around accessibility that we might be able to help to develop their ideas with and potentially invest in. I think the world of disabled accessibility has massive potential and I think we're just scratching the surface with it at the moment.
What I really hope will happen is that the combination of the IT people and the people who are living with a disability in this room, our combined knowledge, we can come up with something much more robust as a way of funneling experiences past. I think at the moment we're so tired by the time we get home from a bad journey or a bad meal that we're not sure who to complain to and why we should complain. Will it make any difference? Hopefully this will add answers for us, for all of us.
Today's event has been massively important. I mean, it really is a stunning opportunity to really give our input into something which really needs the input of experts. And this event has got lots of people who understand the problem. So hats off to the organisation for getting us all in one place at the same time.
We brought the participants together to focus on 4 concepts. The first examined how we might connect and link existing accessibility information providers. The second focused on encouraging businesses to self-report via their websites. The third team asked how we could enable service users to provide experiential-based reporting or feedback on social media. The final team developed a concept for an accessibility concierge service. At the end, the Minister for Disabled People heard pitches from the teams.
I believe it's a really interesting opportunity for people to tackle extreme user problems and see how they can affect a wider market for good.
I think it's going very well. There's loads of conversations, people are making connections, there's lots of ideas for other projects to do together, so I'm very pleased. What we're looking for is something that sets us on the road to producing something that will make it much easier for disabled people to say when they get great service, but also when the service just isn't good enough.
What we've ended up with today is tackling accessibility by improving the customer experience for everyone.
The people that are here want to be engaged and we want to try and come up with solutions so that this country can be more accessible.